Hello everybody and welcome back to my Coding Days channel. In today's video we are going to delve into the world of comments in C++ programming language. Comments are lines of code which they are ignored by the compiler, but they play a vital role in enhancing the code readability. So let's get started and find out more about comments. Hello fellow programmers, I am Mohammed, and in this video we'll unlock the full potential of comments in C++ programming. So let's begin by understanding the two main types of comments in C++, namely the C style and the C++ style. The C style comments are with slash asterisk and asterisk slash. So between these two characters, whatever you write is considered a comment. So this is a C style comment. C style comments can be multiple lines. So whatever I write between these two things is considered comments, and the compiler will ignore these lines. The compiler will ignore okay. Please note that C style comment cannot be nested, so I cannot have another comment inside these comments. You can see that I'm getting an error with the IntelliSense. C++ style comments start with slash slash and they extend to the end of that line. So this is a C++ style comment, but you can string multiple lines of comments together with this type of comment. Comments are usually used for two purposes. The first one is we use them as notes for other humans or ourselves, or as documentation for code. And the second usage that we usually use is that when we want to temporarily disable a block of the code. So I can show this in an example. To do that, let me create a simple program. I'm going to include IOStream and let me define the main function, and let's just print a hello world. And let me define some variables. And let's print out the sum of these two variables. Okay, now if I want to temporarily disable this block of code, I can comment this out. In VS Code, to comment out multiple lines, you just need to select and highlight those lines, then press and hold Ctrl, then press K and press C, and these lines will be commented. To see if these lines are truly commented, let's build this program and run it. Okay, now dot backslash comments.exe, and yeah, you can see that only hello world is printed. So now let's comment these printing hello world, and to comment out these lines I'm highlighting them, pressing and holding Control and pressing K and then pressing U. And now let's save the file and compile it again. And now if I run it, you can see that it is printing x plus y equals to 12. So this is the other usage of the comments whenever we are developing the software and we want to temporarily disable rather than deleting the lines. We just want to temporarily disable a block of the code. We can just comment it. Now let's focus on some good practices in writing comments. When you are writing a comment, you should be descriptive. What does that mean? It means that you should use comments to provide clear explanation of the code's purpose, algorithm logic, or any important details. You need to make sure that you are focusing on the why rather than just what. For example, in this case, this is not a good comment that I just write down and say declare an int, because this code is obvious that I'm declaring a code, so this is not good. Rather than that, I can write some comments and say summing two integers and printing their value, printing the value. The other good practice that you should be aware of that is that you need to update your comments regularly. Whenever you are refactoring your code, don't forget to update the comments. So because outdated comments can be misleading and can cause confusion in future. And the last one, I would just recommend you to document any function or classes that you are developing, including the comments about the functions and classes to describe their usage or their parameters, their return value, or any exceptional behavior will be very useful for other software developers who are going to use your code or develop your code. So make sure that you write comments for any functions or classes that you are developing. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more programming tutorials and tips. And don't forget to like this video. And until the next time, happy coding!